Deep inhale and exhale. Feel the positivity around you and take sankalp in your mind that you will give your 100% to the yogasana practice, not only physically but also mentally. Now, one hand on your chest, one onto your belly. Keep the eyes closed. Take the deep inhale and exhale. Feel the calmness, feel the music, and stay here before starting the practice. Now join the hands together in front of the chest and let's start the session by chanting 3 Oms followed by 3 Shantis. Deep inhale. Om. 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 Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms, generate the heat, place them onto your closed eyes. And whenever you feel ready, by looking at the lines of your palms, you can open your eyes with a smile. Namaste, everyone. Welcome to the session, Shruti and Aruna. So, Shruti, any health condition I should be aware of? Neck pain, knee pain, anything? No. So, everything is fine. We are good to go. Okay, great. So, please sit in Vajrasana, Thunderbolt pose. Take the resistance band or yoga belt with you, whatever you have. Please sit in Vajrasana. So why we are sitting in Vajrasana? Because it is very good for our digestion, and this is the only asana that we should be doing after having our meals. So खाना खाने के बाद after having our meals we should be sitting in Vajrasana for 15 minutes. It improves the digestion. Okay, please take the band, belt, towel, dupatta, whatever you have. Take the deep inhale, go all the way back. Deep exhale, all the way forward. Inhale back, exhale forward, in back and forward. Keep on doing at your own pace, back and forward. Keep the arms straight. So, in any yoga class, there are 3 parts: asanas, pranayam, breath work, and meditation. So, we will be covering all the 3 parts one by one. And this is warm up. Warm up is very important in order to prevent the injuries. Now, once again, go all the way back. Stay here. 5 deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and now come all the way forward. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, place the belt aside on the left side, all the way back. Look all the way up. Exhale on the right side. Inhale left. Exhale right. 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 Keep your arms straight, Shruti. Inhale left. Stay here all the way up. Look up. Shruti, look up. Very good. Very good, Aruna. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And now change other side. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back in the center. Place the belt aside. Hands on your thighs. Deep inhale. Look all the way up. Feel the stretch at the front part of your neck. Exhale. Look all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Come back to the center. Inhale. Look to the right side now towards the right shoulder. Very good. Right kandhe ki aur. Exhale to the left side. Inhale right. Exhale left. 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 Inhale right. And exhale left. Come back to the center. Very good. Now left hand on the left side. Right hand up. Feel the stretch. Look all the way up. Exhale to the other side. Very good. Inhale right. Exhale left. Left means left hand up. Inhale right. Right hand up. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right and stay here. Look all the way up. 10 deep breaths. 10, 9. Very good, both of you. 8. Keep your arms straight. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And now change. Other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back to the center. Very good. Are we all okay? Yes? Alright. So now sit in Dandasana. So this is Dandasana. Legs straight in front of you. Hands at the back. Take the deep inhale. Stretch the toes towards you. Exhale. Out. Inhale. Stretch the toes towards you. Exhale out, hands at the back. Inhale towards you. Exhale out. And now we will be doing circles 5 times. 1. Try to touch the sides of your feet onto the mat. 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now take the belt. Interlace the belt on the left sole of the feet. Deep inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 Very good. Inhale up. Stay करेंगे. Stay here. 10 deep breaths. 10, 9, 8. Back straight. Chest open. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now on the other side, right sole of the feet. Deep inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Very good. Up, up. Very good. Exhale down. Inhale up. 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 And stay here. Very good. 10 deep breaths. 10, 9. Stretch the leg towards you. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Leg down. Bend the side. Shake the legs. Very good. Now bend the left leg. Right leg straight. At your front. Wait, let me place the laptop a bit far. Yes. So right leg bend. Left leg straight. Take the deep inhale all the way up. And now come down in Janu Shirsasana. You will feel a deep stretch in your leg. Can you feel the stretch? Yes, very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Let's do together. Please go with the instructions. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Stay here. Very good. Try to touch your stomach onto your thighs. Even if your hands are reaching till the knees, then also it's fine. But try to push yourself and you will feel a deep stretch in your leg, especially in your hamstring. 10, 9, very good. Keep on pushing yourself. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Both the arms up and down. Now change the leg. Yes. Same way, other side. Deep inhale. Lift both the arms up. Janu Shirsasana on right side. Exhale down. Inhale up. 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 Exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Stay here. Very good. Feel the stretch. Yes, maximum stretch. Keep on pushing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Both the arms up and down. Now open up the legs in front of you. So let's do one asana which is very good for your reproductive health, very good for your stomach, very good for the toning of the legs as well as for the hormonal balance. So it is Chakki Chalanasana. We will try to touch our toes while coming forward and then go all the way back. Let's do together. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, Shruti, if you have space, open up your legs more. 5, very good. 6, yes, better now, great. 7, 8, 9, and now opposite. 8, change the direction. 7, Go all the way back also. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now hold here. Grab your big toes. Hold here. Stay here. Very good. Few deep breaths. Stay here. Feel your breath. Very good. Now from here, come all the way up. Yes. Now come in butterfly pose. Both the soles of your feet together. And let's become beautiful smiling butterflies for a few minutes. Very good. Flap your legs up and down. Very good. 20 counts, 3 rounds. 1, 2, 3. With a gentle smile on your face. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. Now bend forward the maximum that you can. Stay here. Very good. No haunch in the back. Try to keep your back straight. We will do this for 3 times. Now once again, come all the way up and flap the butterfly. 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. Relax. Bend forward. Very good. More. I know you can do this. Very good, Aruna. Very good, Shruti. Very good. Little bit more, Aruna. You can do it. Very good. Very good, Shruti. Good flexibility. 5 deep breaths here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now once again, come all the way up. And for the last time, flap the butterfly up and down. This time 30 counts. 1, 2, keep your back straight, chest open. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Very good. One more time. Bend forward. Try to keep your back straight. Push yourself. Very good. Few deep breaths here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Very good, everyone. Now come up in Mallasana, garland pose. So this is our asana of the day, having numerous benefits. Very good for managing the hormones, and it is also very good for the overall functioning of the body. And try to place the elbows inside. Very good, very good. Shruti, keep trying. If you want to take the support, you can take the mat support, no worries. Yes, open up your legs a little bit more, Shruti. Very good. Yes, Aruna, you also try to open up your legs a little bit more, elbows inside. Very good. Okay, so now from here, deep inhale, lift your heels up. exhale down, inhale up, 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 and stay here 10 deep breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we will stand on the mat. Neutralize our breath. One hand on the chest, one on the belly. If you want to sip water, you can. We will prepare our mind for Surya Namaskar. 5 rounds. Ashtanga Yoga A, Surya Namaskar, we will be doing shortly within few seconds. Till then, neutralize your breath. We are not in any hurry. If you have yoga blocks with you, you can use them. Otherwise, it's fine. Okay, now we will come at the front part of the mat. Front edge. Yes. So let's do it together. Wait, let me. Yes, now it's better. Take an inhale, lift both the arms up. Do a exhale, arms down wherever you are reaching. 3 inhale, lift your head up, look straight. Chatwari exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Punch inhale, come to Urdhva Mukha. Shoulders down, elbows naturally bent. Aruna, look straight, no need to look up. Yes, elbows bent, shoulders down. Shat exhale, come to Adho Mukha. Parvatasana, mountain. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Look all the way straight. Ashto exhale, all the way down. Nava inhale, both the arms up. And Samastuti. Okay, let's do another round. Yes. Very good. Ekam inhale, both the arms up. Doye exhale, hands down. Look straight. Trini inhale, look all the way down. Chatwari exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Plank position, body in one straight line. Punch inhale, look all the way up, Bhujangasana. Shat exhale, come to Adho Mukha, Parvatasana. Very good. Sapta inhale, jump forward. Ashto exhale, look all the way down. Nava inhale, both the arms up. And Samastuti. Now do with the holding. Let's do with the holding. करें holding के साथ, right? Ekam inhale, both the arms up. If you are feeling that your back is aching, you can place your hands and you can support your back. Stay here. 10 deep breaths. We are going to hold for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now both the arms down. Look all the way down. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now look all the way straight. Yes, look forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now jump back to Chaturanga, plank position. Very good. Yes, body in one straight line, not too much down, not too much up, one straight line. Now bend to left side and right side. Left, right, 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 and now come back to the center. Very good. Stay here. 10 deep breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now come in Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Very good. Shoulders down, elbows naturally bent. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now come in mountain pose, Adho Mukha. Very good. Now lift both your heels up and down, 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 heels up, and stay here. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now heels down. And now from here we will be lifting with the right leg up and down. Inhale, lift the right leg up and down, 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 leg up, and stay here. Very good, very good, very good, Aruna. Keep trying. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now from here place the leg forward in Kapotasana, pigeon pose. Yes, leg forward like this. Yes, the maximum that you can. Very good. So this asana, it is very good for your back, for your glute muscles. So just sit here and look all the way up. You will feel a very good stretch in your glute muscle, in your hip joint. Can you feel the stretch? Great. And it is also very good for the people who suffer from so much back pain or even sciatic pain. Now exhale, come all the way down. The maximum that you can come. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now last one with the hold. Inhale up. Hold here. 10 deep breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and now come all the way down. The maximum down that you can come. Try to touch your forehead onto the mat. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now from here, come once again to downward dog. And from here, heels down and come in child pose. Just relax for a few counts. Stay here. Very good. Very good. Now come all the way up in mountain pose. And on other side, lift the left leg up or the other leg up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now inhale up and stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and now place the leg forward in Kapotasana, pigeon pose. Very good. Now look all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. 3 more times. Last one with the hold. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One last time. Inhale up. Stay here. 10 deep breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and now all the way down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now from here, come all the way back. And now again in tabletop position. And then in child pose. Relax here. Few breaths. Stay here. Hands on your sides. Balasana, Shishuvasana, or child pose. Few deep breaths here. And now from here, come all the way back in tabletop position. And let's do the world's greatest stretch, which is cat and cow. Deep inhale, look all the way up. Feel the stretch. A curve in your spine. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Very good. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one with the hold. Inhale up. Up, yes. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now all the way down. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back to the center. Now deep inhale, lift your right hand up, thread to needle. Exhale all the way down. Try to touch your shoulder onto the mat. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 Inhale up. And stay here. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now all the way down. Very good. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now deep inhale. Lift the other arm up. Exhale down. Very good. Come on. Very good. Last one. Inhale up. This is the last asana. Exhale down. Inhale up. 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 Exhale down. Last one with the hold. Inhale up and hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now all the way down. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back to the center. Very good. Now you can sit in Sukhasana. You can even take the pillow and sit. Very good. You have done great. Just clap for yourselves. Yes, we should always appreciate ourselves, right? So the asana part is done. Now let's do some pranayam followed by meditation and shavasana. Okay, so you can sit in any comfortable posture, even on the pillow you can sit. You can sit in Sukhasana. And now let's do some pranayam. First, we will be doing Kapalabhati. So what we need to do is place your one hand onto your chest, onto your stomach. Sorry, other hand either in chin mudra or simply onto your thighs. Little bit bend forward. Take the deep inhale and on exhale, just do the forceful exhalation. And please take a note, if you are in your periods, then please go slow. Let's start. 1, 2, up to 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Come back. Prepare your mind for 2 more rounds. Next round of 20 counts. The third round of 30 counts. Let's start once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. One more time. Come all the way up. Normal inhale and exhale. And now let's do 30 counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10 more, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Very good. Come all the way up. Relax yourself. One hand on your stomach. One onto your chest. Take the deep inhale and exhale. Feel your breath. So, this is yogic breathing, the correct way of breathing. Let's see how to do this. So, when you are inhaling, take the deep breath in the stomach, it will come out naturally like the balloon. Exhale, stomach is going all the way inside. Inhale, stomach naturally out. Exhale, stomach in. Inhale, stomach out. Exhale, stomach in. Inhale, stomach out. Exhale, stomach in. Do at your own pace now. Feel the inhalations and exhalations. And along with that, we can chant Om for 1 minute. Can you hear the sound of Om? Yes? Okay. Let's chant. Two more times. Now we can stop chanting and we can lie down on the mat in Shavasana. Relax your mind, your body, hands apart, legs apart, fingers naturally curl. Now we are going to do the body scan meditation in Shavasana. Feel the deep inhale and exhale. Feel the relaxing energy coming from the Mother Earth to your mind, to your body. Now, this relaxing energy is coming all the way up, relaxing the soles of your feet, which is the bottom of your feet, your upper part of the feet, toes, ankles, and relaxing your entire left foot and right foot. Now both your feet, they are completely relaxed. Now this relaxing energy, it is going all the way up, relaxing your shin bone, your calf muscles, your knees, thighs, and hamstrings. Now stretch your feet once out and once in. One time more, stretch your feet out and in. Relax your toes, feel the fingers, gently move them. Now both your legs, they are completely relaxed. Now this relaxing energy, it is going all the way up, relaxing your glute muscles, your genitals, your stomach, your chest, lower back, mid back, and upper back. Now interlace your fingers, your hands, and take a deep stretch like you wake up in the morning. Stretch, 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 and relax. One more time, take the deep stretch. Stretch, 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 and relax. Now relax your shoulders, your arms, hands, and fingers. Make fist with your hands 2 times and open very gently. Move your fingers. Now your entire upper body and lower body, it is completely relaxed. Now this relaxing energy, it is going all the way up, relaxing your facial muscles, your eyes, nose, lips, cheeks, chin, ears, forehead, back of the head where it is touching the mat. Now turn your head once to the left side, once to the right side. And now, whenever you feel comfortable, you can turn to your right side and sit in Sukhasana with your eyes closed, hands in front of the chest. You can take your time, we are not in any hurry. Turn to your right side and sit in Sukhasana. Pay gratitude to everything around you. Say thanks to your mind, to your body. Appreciate yourself for doing 1 hour practice of yoga asanas, pranayam, and meditation. Many people, they are not fortunate enough physically as well as mentally. They do have their limits, but we all are blessed. So say thank you to this universe and to everyone who is supporting you in this journey of life. So now we will end the session by chanting 3 times peace, which is Shanti. Deep inhale, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. rub your palms, generate the heat, place them onto your closed eyes. And whenever you feel ready, by looking at the lines of your palms, you can open your eyes with a smile. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining. Any questions or anything if you want to say, you can. Yes, thank you. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Can I take a photo to put it on the story if you're comfortable?
Yes, yes, definitely. Please do it.
Yes. Um, just a minute. I'm sorry to make you wait.
No, no, no worries. Okay,
Thank you
all
so
right.
much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.